Hello, my name is Andrei.
And I'm 23.
I'm ambitious.
And I love to work in an international environment.
I'm passionate and a little bit crazy.
And I'm the guy with the camera and Photoshop.
I love working in team.
I'm outgoing.
I'm good talking about politics and I love writing.
I'm good at languages, so ciao, guten tag, bonjour.
I am good at storytelling and creative writing.
I love to challenge myself and put the biggest dreams and aims in front of me.
I have a lot of experience with different NGOs and I love organizing events. I'm motivated and I don't give up easily on what I want.
I want to learn from new experiences and I'm ready for new challenges.
I'm flexible and I easily adopt new solutions to my work.
I always take care of my colleagues. Come on, come on!
So now you can hire us now.
Hire us.
Hire us!